So how do you feel if you compare before surgery, after losing 30 kilos? You feel lighter?
Yeah, lighter, more energy.
More energetic?
More energy.
Energy is a big question after weight loss. So many patients say that they have less energy at times.
Some
what's
days,
your
yes.
opinion?
Some days.
At some days.
Yeah, you feel
sometimes.
like you don't.
Okay.
But then it comes in my head कि भाई मेरा ख्याल है या तो नमक कम हो गया मेरे diet में फिर मैं
Then you take some salt.
हाँ जी.
And it improves with that?
It improves.
But generally, most of the times your energy levels are better than what they used to be before.
Yes, I will say 80% good, 20% it's sometime, you feel.
And what about walking upstairs, if you have to go 3, 4, 5
I'm doing like normally
floors,
4 to 5 kilometers every day.
4 to 5 kilometers every day.
Walk morning.
Okay. If you have to climb upstairs 4 to 5 floors, will it be easy or it will be a difficult task?
No,
easy. Okay.
उस चीज में कोई इशू नहीं हो रहा.
Okay. See, that's what we understand after this 10 years of practice into mini gastric bypass. It brings you back towards nature. Everything. Talk about weight. You are losing fat. Then we talk about diabetes. Then cholesterol. All these things are getting away from your body. The reason is we have changed the design. It's not a magic actually. It's a very simple concept. We have changed the design, but we have changed the design in a limited manner.
Okay.
There has to be a limit. We cannot do too long a bypass. If we do too much, then you will lose too much.
Okay.
So now as you are feeling you already, you have lost a good amount of weight and you don't want to lose more. That's one question. Many patients fear this. At this point of time, earlier in the beginning, we don't understand, we don't believe. Looks like, whether we'll lose weight or not. But now you are scared. Everybody must be telling you you're losing too much, so you need to stop. Yeah, it happens. Because God had given you a design which was for some other purpose actually. But now the purpose has changed. Earlier the purpose was 6-7 hours in the forest running after the animals. We were all hunter-gatherers. Now our job has totally changed, but the design is almost the same. Although it's changing, but that change is very slow. God never knew that man would progress so fast. And this change in design, I would say it matches our lifestyle now. The way we work, maybe like now you can walk for 5 kilometers, but earlier you were not doing.
No, it was too lazy to do that.
Most of us, if we are the best, we would do like 1 hour exercise every day, and we think that we are too much disciplined and we are doing everything in right manner. So this much of work, like half an hour to 1 hour moderate exercise every day, it's not too much. It's just some exercise. And earlier you were not losing weight with this much of exercise, but now you are losing because of the change in design. Now comes the point where to stop. You don't worry about that, because we have worked a lot into this field, and the kind of designing which I have given you, I don't think you will lose too much. Now your weight is going to go slow and it will automatically stop, and then you'll gain 4-5 kilos.
Okay.
Body behaves like that. So once you come down, and then it tries to understand what's happening inside and how to stop it.
Okay.
So it's all nature. There are some chemicals coming up in the body trying to stop this weight loss.
Okay.
Because body thinks that there is something wrong going inside, some kind of disease coming up. So it'll automatically stop. Now you don't have to work to stop your weight, so don't get into taking some sweets like ice creams or other things. Sometimes we think that we should take some junk food. Don't think like that, because if you go on that line, eventually you will start gaining weight. Because this should be very clear. It's not like putting a lock inside. We have just changed the design moderately. Now it's easy for you to handle your weight. Now you are the master of your weight. So that's the difference. At present you are 80 kilos. You want to go down to 70 kilos, you can go down like this. Don't take any sugars, keep on doing exercise, you'll go there. You want to gain some weight, you can gain weight.
By eating.
Yeah, by eating a little bit more, but not too much of sugars. Because we have seen patients gaining 15 to 20% of lost weight also. Like, what if you reach back, if you go back to 95 kilos, you won't like it.
Okay.
So we don't want to bounce back. But still, off and on, that would happen. 4-5 kilos weight gain. Then you again stop sugars, start doing some exercise, again it will go back.
ठीक.